Introducing the TYPHON TERROR 20, 2-ton mini excavator. Compact in size, powerful in performance, and engineered for efficiency in small and medium construction projects. With its compact structure and excellent maneuverability, the Terror 20 works comfortably in limited spaces, such as farms, gardens, parks, orchards, and public areas. It is designed to deliver reliable performance where space and control matter most. Built to handle a wide range of excavation tasks, the TYPHON Terror 20 delivers smooth, balanced power for trenching, digging, ditch clearing, grading, landscaping, and general site preparation. Its stable hydraulic system and precise movement ensure consistent performance across different working conditions. Pilot control ensures smooth, precise, and responsive handling, allowing operators to work with confidence and accuracy throughout the day. The 45-degree left and right boom swing enables precise operation in tight and confined spaces. TYPHON Terror 20 features a conventional tail swing design to provide better balance and overall machine stability. This design supports smoother digging performance, keeps the structure mechanically simple, and allows easier maintenance access. Equipped with an EPA-certified Kubota D902 engine, delivering 15.8 horsepower at 2,200 RPM and up to 20.4 horsepower at 3,600 RPM. The Terror 20 ensures compliance with environmental standards while delivering powerful and reliable performance. The machine is fitted with a 20.5-liter hydraulic oil tank and a 13.5-liter diesel fuel tank, supporting efficient operation and extended working hours. With a maximum digging depth of 2,160 millimeters and a digging height of 2,580 millimeters, the Terror 20 provides confident excavation performance in compact working environments. Compact, powerful, efficient. The TYPHON Terror 20 Mini Excavator, built to get more done.
Visit our website, typhonmachinery.com. Contact us for more information.